You guys, massage is so simple, it can literally be broken down into two concepts. We've got circles and angles. That's about it. If you can grasp those two concepts, you've got yourself a full body massage that rocks like every single time. So, you've been following me for a while now. You know that I like to get complex massage concepts and break them down into ways that 4-year-olds can understand. And this is what I want you to think about when I talk about circles and angles. Circles are your relaxation massage strokes. Have a look at Melt's masterclass. There's circles everywhere. Anywhere where I'm contouring, I'm working with circles. Even small little bits over the shoulder, there are circles. And those big, long, flowing strokes are circles as well. Now, our deep tissue is angles. Angles are everything. It's actually a metaphor for life. Look at us, we're getting all zen right now. But if you think about it, anything difficult can be broken down into angles. Let's say if you want to win a fight, jiu-jitsu for one thing, or a debate, or launch a rocket into space, you know your angles. What about sex? Have you thought about that? Like, the best sex is when you can find amazing angles. And I want you to try this. Like, next time you two get into the bedroom, fool around with angles and then tell me, maybe not tell me, talk to each other about it and see if the more extreme the angles, the more fun you had. Deep tissue massage is exactly that. It's all about angles. If you want to save your hands and your thumbs and get in really deep, be as effective as possible with the least amount of effort, it all comes down to angles. So if you can join the two together, circles relaxation, angles deep tissue, you have one killer massage. Here I'm priming the ski jump using circular motions as a deep tissue technique. I introduce an aggressive angle. This initiates a release. And now some serious angles for depth. This is full on. Here I'm using a circle to transition from open-handed relaxation strokes to deep tissue. Keep a sharp eye on my wrists. The wrists are leading the massage. They circle out laterally to the top of the arms and then work their way back in towards the neck. Knowing how to join techniques together will help you flow around your partner's body as if it's a dance. Next transition. Instead of pausing at the hands, I choose to circle flamboyantly to join the brush back. There it is. Here I choose to highlight the money shot using a circle, joining the upstroke with the downstroke. Looks good, huh? Circles as strokes. The neck massage is literally just one circle on repeat. I'm gonna let you sit with this for a bit because you already know what's going on and this looks amazing. Watch as I circle my way across my partner's shoulder and then down the arm. That's just so tasty right now. Alright, circles within circles, Dan. Circles can occur inside circles. This sequence includes a basic massage stroke, which leads into 2 circular neck strokes, and then back into the basic again. That, you guys, is rhythm right there. This technique is all about angles, and we're close to the spine, so it's important to know where you're pushing and what structures are around your thumbs. Before we go on, I want to talk about the type of practitioner that I am, because there are many different types out there that are really good at different styles. So my thing is, I like to get into nooks and crannies. I've been massaging for a long time, 20 years now. I've lost count of the amount of massages I've given, but if you ever get one from me, I want my massages to be in the way that you remember me as that guy that got into muscles that you had no idea existed. And this is what I want Melt's masterclass to be for you. I want your partner to tell all your friends and family how amazing your massages are. Getting into nooks and crannies is just one way of showing attention that some practitioners don't do. Here, let's break this technique down. Here's what I'm doing. See this shiny bit? That's our partner's spine. It's called a spinous process. This is really similar to what you see with a stegosaurus. Theirs is on the outside and ours is on the inside. Like, it's kind of similar, but it gives you an idea of what we're looking at. Going out transversely from that bone is a transverse process. I know, we're getting technical now, right? But the idea is that our thumbs are dipping into the space between the two transverse processes. And we can see this by the shiny bit. My thumbs are just above that shiny bit, so we know that the transverse process is just below, and we dip into the meaty, fleshy bit between the vertebrae. And this is what feels amazing, because there's a whole bunch of muscles and ligaments in there that are never really touched. General rule of thumb. I know, the massage puns are out, but this is good, right? So our thumbs, our fingertips, they're bony structures, and the general rule is bone on bone equals crap. You're never going to forget that now. Now, if you massage over your partner's spine, it's not going to do much. It's just not going to feel great. Like, your partner will be like, I feel pressure, but nothing's really happening. Our bony thumbs work really well when they go into muscles. Now, you're not going to break your partner's spine. This is really important. If you massage practitioners massage over bone all the time. There are times where I bump into the spine as well. The spine can handle so much pressure. The deal is, I've never, ever heard of a massage practitioner that's broken someone's back or spine via massage. I've never read it, never heard about it. I don't know any practitioners that have done this before, so you're safe. It's okay. So let's continue as I work my way up the spine. I want you to see how I remain above that spinous process, which means that I maintain getting into that fleshy bit in between the vertebrae. And you'll feel it with your thumbs too. You'll roll into the space, which feels really nice. In this technique, I'm doing the same thing, working in between each vertebra, but I'm walking my way up. So same, just a different style of technique. Feels really nice. I'm using the pads of my thumb and I'm pressuring out. Again, everything comes from my wrist, like most of our massage techniques, and I'm just walking my way up. Feels really, really good. There you go, circles and angles. You know what, I hope you've been liking the videos lately. I've been smashing out some great content. Like, I've been having a lot of fun teaching you this. Stick around, like, stay tuned, because the next episode is I've already started working on it. It's a good one. Like, we get circles and angles and meanie and sweetie, deep tissue, put it in with contouring, all within the one massage stroke. But here's the hook. We look at it from the perspective of our partner. I'm going to break down what she's thinking and what she's feeling, all via her facial expressions. This is amazing, because I've been looking at it, and like, I know Emma well, and I can pick up on what her facial expressions are and know what she's feeling. Breaking this down, like, I've had a ball just watching it, and I'm really excited because it shows how two people are connecting and how she relates to my hands and what this does for her as well. It's really good. Stick around. I'll see you in the next episode, yeah? Ciao. Melt was designed for healthy bodies, you guys. So if you're injured or you're feeling unwell, I recommend not massaging each other. If you're not sure whether you should be massaging each other or not, talk to your physician. If you don't have a physician handy, a nice little guide for you is, if you're engaged in passionate lovemaking and no one gets injured, you're going to be fine massaging each other.
I have a guy that's thrown his back out. I have a chick that's had recent neck surgery, and I have a pregnant lady. Who would you like to see first?
Just line them up.
Okay, can you not film them as they come down?
I'm not going to film them. Oh, and I've seen everything. In the workshops, everyone of anything that you could expect have shown up. Even though I tell people, if you're sick, if you're ill, if you're injured, stay home. Massage can wait. I've had someone walk in 3 weeks post neck surgery, and we're working on the neck, we're massaging the neck. Because, yeah, I mean, no one's ever been hurt in one of my workshops. I've been doing this for 15 years, and it's fine when I'm there because I can coach and I can guide and I can oversee what's happening. We can really work with the techniques. But at home, it's really important to have communication. If you are injured, don't do it, guys. Massage can wait. There's time. Common sense, conversation, communication, really important when you're massaging each other.